If you look at the world's largest global corporations, they are already weaving AI into their daily operations. They pull this off using massive systems integrators, firms like Accenture, PwC, and Deloitte, all operating through the Claude Partner Network. But this graph shows a clear problem. A steeply accelerating curve representing enterprise demand for custom AI is rapidly outpacing the slower-growing line of custom delivery capacity. Overall demand is outstripping the people available to deploy the technology. The primary victims of this massive delivery gap are businesses in the vast middle market of the economy. We're talking about community banks, regional health systems, and mid-size manufacturers. These companies want to adopt AI to grow their operations. The roadblock is that they lack the massive in-house engineering teams required to actually build and maintain these advanced frontier-level deployments. And grabbing an off-the-shelf AI product doesn't solve their problem. Truly integrating these models into an organization's core operations requires deep, hands-on engineering and a highly precise familiarity with exactly how a specific business runs. Without a new delivery and funding model, the middle market remains stuck with standard tools, while larger competitors deploy custom systems that widen the competitive gap. Anthropic's solution to this market vacuum is the launch of a new, dedicated AI services company, built specifically to serve these mid-sized businesses. To get this off the ground, serious financial partners are stepping in to back the venture, specifically from Blackstone, Hellman & Friedman, and Goldman Sachs. This structural map shows how the alliance is built. 3 distinct nodes feed into a central hub. Anthropic provides the frontier AI models. The new entity brings the dedicated applied engineers. And finally, a broader financial consortium injects the massive capital to rapidly scale. This new firm acts as a direct extension of Anthropic's existing delivery capacity. It doesn't replace the mega integrators. It complements them by targeting an entirely different tier of clients who need specialized attention. By injecting private capital into the system, this alliance funds the specialized engineering talent that mid-sized businesses cannot afford independently. If we shift our focus from the boardroom down to the ground floor, a typical client engagement for this firm doesn't start with writing code. It begins with deep, embedded observation of the workers themselves. Take a multi-site healthcare services group, for example. In an average shift, clinical staff lose hours of their day to routine medical coding, prior authorizations, and complex compliance reviews. To fix this, engineers from the new firm, along with Anthropic applied AI staff, deploy on-site. They sit down and embed directly alongside the client's existing IT staff and the clinicians who actually do the work. This flowchart maps a clinician's 12-hour shift. The team locates where critical time disappears into administrative friction. Then they build tailored AI tools. As models handle compliance, those massive administrative bottlenecks shrink and route away, clearing the schedule. AI integration yields the most value when it reverse engineers specific bottlenecks, freeing workers to apply their highest level expertise. The immediate consequence of this customized engineering in our healthcare example is clear. Clinicians are no longer bogged down by tedious documentation, and they can devote their reclaimed time entirely to their patients. This localized success scales outward. This exact type of deeply customized, operator-shaped engagement will run across mid-sized companies in every major industry. To solidify this capability, the new firm is officially joining Anthropic's expanding Claude Partner Network. This column chart represents the total AI delivery ecosystem as it stands today. Anthropic continues to support mega enterprise programs led by firms like Accenture and Deloitte at the top of the market. This newly established firm steps in to successfully fill the massive, previously empty gap for mid-sized companies. The combination of frontier models, dedicated engineering, and alternative asset capital gives the middle market the same technological leverage previously reserved for